So good evening to one and all. Today back with another video. Today we are going to discuss about one of the major power producing sector share, that is nothing but the power grid. So we'll discuss about the technicals as well as the fundamentals of this share, and also we'll discuss the levels at which we must enter to get a good sum of profit. So as we know, the power grid is also a very crucial sector which produces power apart from Adani Power as well as other power shares. But when we consider power grid, we find that it is available at very fair value, and also it is the major power producing sector of India. Around, we can say, 50% of the power transmission is being produced by the power grid. So let us find the technicals as well as the fundamentals of this stock. We'll also discuss the levels at where we must enter so that we'll get a good amount of profit. Personally, I have invested in power grid around 185 or 184 level, and I booked my profit around 195 rupees, and again it is in correction mode. So we'll discuss all the levels also to where we need to invest in it. We'll also discuss about the fundamentals of this share. So let's discuss the fundamentals of the share. Currently the Power Grid Corporation share is actually we can see that it is around 190.40, and it is actually in a correction mode, and it is almost at minus 1.30%. So when we consider the market cap, it is also very big market cap. Share is around 99,609 crores, which is a very huge market cap. And also when we consider dividend yield, so this is called a share where we're getting a dividend yield of 4.38, which is a very we can say best stock to invest, so that getting around 4.38% dividend. When you also consider the PE, which is around 9.32, which is also very fair valued, or you can say undervalued share when compared to industry P, which is around 14. So we're getting at a very good price, so that we can accumulate. Also the book value is around 112.81, and you can see the percentage of deliveries is around 60.92. Oh god, so 60.92 means people are believing that the share will definitely go up. So many people are already they started accumulating this share. So we'll also discuss the levels of the share. So when we consider the financials, or when we consider the results around December 2019, we see that the income has increased around from 8,684 to 8,991. So it's a good growth in the total income, and also the expenditures have remained what we say flat, but overall the expenditure is also very good. And also in the case of the profit and loss after the tax is also great. We can see that 507 the profit has increased, and other incomes also increased, and everything, the profit and loss, everything is very good. We can say that the fundamentals is very strong for this. And when we consider the shareholding pattern, we see that the promoters holding is around 55.37, which is also very good. We know that according to SEBI norms, the promoter holding should be less than 75%, so it's around 55.37. And the most important factor when we see the fundamentals of any share, we need to keep in mind about the pledged, how much the pledging is being done by the promoter. So we find 0%, which is great. And also we know that it's a government based, and it's a Maharashtra oriented corporation, so the pledging is also not there. And if we consider the FIIs and DIIs holdings, it's around 27.4. So FIIs is increasing, and even the DIIs percentage is okay, it's around constant. And if you consider the mutual funds also, it's a good percentage holding around 5.84, means it's very good that the share is very fundamentally very strong. So when I talk about the fundamentals of the share, it's very good. So when we discuss of the technicals, we see that it has different levels where we need to accumulate it. So when I discussed in the current market price, now it's around 190.40. So if in Monday, if there will be further correction, and if you get this share around 185 or 184 or 186, so start accumulating it and put in your demat account, and it will give an excellent results. And its major and crucial resistance is around 191, as we can see, as it is 191, or where it faces the resistance. If it breaks it, and definitely it will be going to 195, as well as 200 should be your targets. So and the support levels are as 180, and that's it. 180 is the power grid share never goes below 180. If you're getting it at 180, then definitely start accumulating it. And 185 is very good level where we can start accumulating, and it will give at least 10 to 12% returns. So you can book your profit around 200, or you can wait for 205 rupees. Even we see the MACD is also showing a bullish crossover. It's almost the weakness is getting reduced. So in Monday, if it has some further correction, and if it goes to 185 or 186, so start accumulating it. Even the money flow index is showing 58, means that it's not even overbought, nor even it is not oversold, it is in middle. So we can start accumulating it. So overall, it's a very good fundamental share. In also, it's trading below all the moving averages. So if further correction is possible, then wait for it. After it gets in a good level around 185 or 183 or something like that, you can start accumulating it for good amount of profits. So if you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye.